In 2025, around a dozen spacecraft are set to land on the Moon, aiming to advance technology for a permanent human presence. These missions are part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) program, which funds private companies to carry scientific instruments and other payloads to the lunar surface. Jonna Spruce from Firefly Aerospace says CLPS is helping develop new lunar technologies, unlocking resources, and supporting research for a sustainable presence on the Moon. Key Moon missions in 2025. 1. Firefly's Blue Ghost, launching in mid-January. This lander will carry tools like X-ray cameras, a lunar navigation system, and a drill to study heat transmission. 2. Intuitive Machines IM-2. This mission will drill near the Moon's south pole to study buried ice, crucial for future missions. IM-2 will also include a small hopper rover to explore tricky areas, another rover to collect samples for NASA, a satellite to aid communication between Earth and the spacecraft. Additionally, the Lunar Trailblazer orbiter, led by Bethany Ehlmann from Caltech, will map water, minerals, and other properties on the Moon. 3. Intuitive Machines IM-3. Later in the year, IM-3 will explore a unique magnetic feature called a lunar swirl. 4. SpaceIL's Beresheet 2. Israeli company SpaceIL will return with 2 landers and an orbiter to study different lunar regions. This follows their first attempt, Beresheet, which crashed in 2019. 5. SpaceX's Starship human landing system. While no crewed missions are planned for 2025, SpaceX aims to perform an uncrewed landing of its Starship human landing system. This spacecraft will later carry astronauts to the Moon as part of NASA's Artemis 3 mission in 2027. Artemis to delayed. NASA's Artemis 2 mission, intended to take for astronauts around the Moon, has been pushed to 2026. These missions mark significant steps toward lunar exploration and building a lasting presence on the Moon.